official definition of modern manufacturing is the processing of raw materials or parts into finished goods using skilled labor, technology, and machinery. That's what today's manufacturing is all about. A trained, talented workforce using advanced technologies. The days of old-school, dirty factories have long been replaced by modern, state-of-the-art facilities, computer-driven processes, and of course, with people with the passion to excel. Here at Jergens in the Collinwood neighborhood, many of those people are hired on at an entry level, right out of high school. Max Hayes grad, Sidney Johnson, started here on an internship. He's now a machine operator, and the sky's the limit.
When I wake up and have to come here, I'm excited. I like coming in. It's not a job where I have to go to work, or it's just another day. I enjoy coming in and doing what I do, knowing that I can grow and learn more, soak in as much as I can, knowing I have the career I have.
The U.S. manufacturing industry employs over 12 million hard-working women and men, and that number is growing by the day. To say there's opportunity in manufacturing would certainly be an understatement, especially for younger workers. They're in high demand. Meet Brandon Pugh, a recent graduate of the Ginn Academy. He's found his passion and a future here at Jergens.
This job has given me opportunities to go back to school, to get involved in these different programs to better help myself and the company. This place has made me feel more comfortable and, just better becoming myself and seeing myself for the worth that I am.
Because a lot of people our age don't really know what they want to do for a career. And that's what I was kind of nervous about coming out of high school, because I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do. And I thought this was a great opportunity for me because it kind of clicked with me, and I thought it was a good experience for me.
The opportunities for young people in manufacturing are just overwhelming. They can see new technology. Right here at Jergens, we call it a technology distribution center. All the things that when you talk about technology, it's right here. It's alive, it's well, it's exciting.
Exciting for sure, because modern manufacturing is not just manually cranking out part after part, day after day. It's technology driven by a team who come together, playing different roles, all working toward the same goal.
Accounting, it could be engineering, it could be quality inspection. So there's different aspects of manufacturing that people really don't know about. I started at Jergens about 13 years ago, just part-time, just make a little extra money. And with a little on-the-job training, now I'm a direct supervisor over the department that I actually started in, so it's very exciting.
Creating tomorrow's manufacturing workforce today, inspiring and engaging workers and the leaders of tomorrow in the always expanding manufacturing industry. The future is now. Here at Jergens, they're not just offering jobs, they're offering careers with great pay, great benefits, and the opportunity for advancement. That's what time it is, and that time is now.
Young people should consider manufacturing because it's forever growing. You're always going to develop, you're always going to expand your knowledge, but you grow with manufacturing as it grows with you.
I love my job. It's great. I'm hoping that more people my age would be more willing to make that leap and try it out, because it's great.
I feel like manufacturing really has become like my best friend. I really don't want to do anything else. I can see myself doing this for 25+ years. So having this job is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and it is a dream come true.